The month leading up to university, I was very nervous as I was unsure of meeting people for the first time. I prepared by packing every single essential thing I thought I needed.
It was a bit intimidating once I got here because, of course, you don't know anyone. It was fun because I think I made it so. And I didn't shy away. I had misconceptions about freshers that I quickly bust by just going out of my comfort zone.
Nobody knows each other, so on that first day, just be confident, be yourself, and I'd say just take advantage of the opportunities that you're given.
As a student, I'd say the main thing you want to look at when you're about to start university is your accommodation, where your campus is. Use a bit of Google Maps, find out where some shops are. It can be really helpful and it can ease that stress a little bit as well.
Organise your time as best as possible. So you want to look at your structured timetable, and you also want to fit in your own personal time, but also when you're going to sit down and study as well.
Making the right decision, like moving away from home, it's massive, and getting the information, getting the facts, because it's your future. It's what you want to do. So make the most of it and start looking early.
I can promise you that it'll be the best decision you make applying for university, not only for the experience, but also for the friendships you'll make.